In this video, we'll be talking about employee roles and permissions and how to set them up with RepairDesk. With employee roles and permissions, you'll be able to create and edit roles, assign roles to your employees, change the permission settings of your roles, and enable security checks for each role. Let's set everything up. We're going to start by creating a new role at our store. To do this, head to the menu in the top bar and select Store Settings. Then, on the left-hand menu, click on the Employees tab and select Manage Roles. From here, you can add a new employee role and perform certain actions on it. To create a new role, click on the Add Role button, enter the role name, and click Add. Your new role should now be added to the list. Now that you've created your role, it's time to assign it to an employee. From the left-hand bar, head on over to the Manage Employees tab. Here, you can create a new employee or edit an existing one, and assign them an existing role from the selection. To add a new employee, click on the green button that says Employee and fill in all the details. You can select the role that you want to assign to this new employee in the Role and Access section. When you're done, hit Save to confirm your changes. If you'd like to change the permissions for a particular role, you can go over to the left-hand bar and select Manage Role Permissions, then select the role that you want to modify. Here, you'll see a list of different options for the role you've selected. You can enable or disable any of the listed permissions for your role by clicking the corresponding checkbox. Disabling a feature will make it so that any employee with your chosen role will not be able to see or use that feature. You can also choose to make any specific role a super user. Super users are given unrestricted access to your entire system. If you'd like to assign your chosen role as a super user, click the checkbox below the role field. Once you're done with all your settings, click on Save Changes to confirm your choice. Now, let's configure the security of our roles by heading over to the left-hand bar and clicking on Manage Security Checks. The Manage Security Checks tab will allow you to request for a PIN on certain actions from any role within your system. Here, you can enable system-wide PIN requests that require all your employees to enter their PIN into the system, regardless of their role. Enable the option and click Save. You can also set security checks specific for certain employee roles. To do this, first select the employee role from the drop-down menu. Then, click to enable or disable the actions from the list below. When enabled, these actions will require your employee with that role to enter their PIN whenever they perform them. To complete the process, click Save Changes. For more information, please visit our knowledge base. With RepairDesk, you can assign roles to any of your employees and manage their permissions, so their access to the system is entirely controlled by you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching.